Let me show you how to view analyst ratings inside of Robinhood. If you want to know what analysts are predicting for a particular stock, there is a section inside of Robinhood which is called Analyst Rating, which lets you view the buy, hold and sell rate that the analysts are predicting. So open up any stock that you want. Now inside of the profile of this stock, you'll need to scroll down, and right here you'll see the option called Analyst Rating. Beside the analyst rating, you'll see the number of ratings that it has and the percentage as well. Currently, Apple has a 60% buy rate, a hold rate of 31.2 and a sell rate of 8.3. So most analysts are suggesting that it is a buy, and you can also take a look at the reasonings of the buy or sells that they are predicting. If you scroll down further, you can also take a look at the trading trends, where it's going to show you how hedge funds or insiders are placing orders or how they are positioning themselves for this particular asset. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.